Is it an Alfa Romeo? No, it's a Transit Connect with broken screen. Gonna fix the broken screen. That's pretty bad. Here's the brand new screen, right out of the box in front of my toolbox. Going to have it installed. You're gonna need some of these nylon pry tools. Pry that out. 3 screws. And yes, the shop manual told me to remove the dashboard, just pull this whole thing out, but this was a little quicker. These are the 3 screws that you'll need to remove. They're Torx screws, and you'll also, it's a good idea, because you don't want to lose these screws down in the dashboard, these ones either, 8mm covered by that. There's a pry tools, you can get those in the description, and magnetic Torx bits so you don't lose that screw. But yeah, you can actually remove this part of the dash right here, those screws in there, and the whole front of the dash comes out. But I thought that took a little bit more time trying to do this a little quicker. So I found this way a bit easier. Just after removing those 6 screws and popping this thing up like that using the pry tools, it was really easy to just remove the broken screen and plug in the pigtail in order to get the new screen in there. See that? It just comes right out. There's your wire. Pulls up and out. There's the new screen I'm installing, replacing the old one and going through the back like this. Again, here's where you need, it's a good idea to have magnetic Torx screws, because you don't want to drop those screws down in there because they'll be gone forever. Well, maybe not, but it's really hard to get it to them if you lose them inside the dash, so don't do that. And then you put all the screws back in and line this up just right and pop it all back together seamlessly. And this took a little finagling. And this is the part where I remind you to like this video if it helped you out in your life. Become a subscriber. Why not? There's lots of fun going on here. And if you buy the tools right here in the description, you will help the channel. It helps the channel. I'm an affiliate with Amazon, so helps me keep doing these videos. There we go, removing the plastic, brand new screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!